Ready? Okay, you will help me. Will y'all help me real good? Okay. Here we go. Llama, llama, having fun. Blocks and puzzles in the sun. Time to stop. It's Saturday. Llama, llama wants to play. First the shopping, then a treat. Mama, mama gets the seat. Llama's dreaming in the car. Wake up, here we are. Great big building, great big signs, lots of aisles, lots of lines. Llama, llama, out with mama, shopping at the shop-a-rama. Can y'all all see that? Llama, llama, shopping. How do you like to shop with mama? Well, then y'all are different because mine doesn't like to shop. Yucky music, great big feet, lady smelling, way too sweet. Look at knees and stand in line. Llama, llama starts to whine. Clearance sales, discount buys. What is little llama size? Pull and wiggle, itch and cough. Shirts and jackets, pants and shoes. Does this sweater come in blue? Brand new socks and underwear. Llama, llama doesn't care. Cheese puffs and oat crunch. What would llama like for lunch? Llama doesn't know. Llama, llama wants to go. Ready to go. Oh, llama, llama wants to go. Oh. Loaf of bread, cream of wheat. Llama, llama wants his treat. It's not fun shopping at Shop-a-Rama. Llama, llama, mad at mama. Flying pasta, spraying juice, paper towels running loose, coffee, bread, and chips galore, shoes and sweaters hit the floor. Llama, llama's mad, I can tell, llama, llama's mad. Crash the cart, smash the sign, no more waiting, no more lines, out of socks and cheese puffs, llama, llama's had enough. Please stop fussing, little llama. No more of this llama drama. I think shopping's boring too, but at least I'm here with you. Let's see if we can make this fun and get llama shopping done. Let's be a team at Shop-a-Rama. Shop-a-Rama. Llama, llama shops with mama. Sleep with papa's pasta, mop up juice, wrap up towels running loose. Pick up puffs and find the socks, put the shoes back in the box. Push the cart with Mama Llama, almost done at Shop-a-Rama. Time to leave, the shopping's done, no more waiting, time for fun. Out of the parking lot, not too far, where did Mama Llama leave the car? Snap the buckle, grab the box, put on the brand new shoes and socks. Say goodbye to Shop-a-Rama. Llama, llama,